Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be learning about check my links by the SelectorsHub. So let's begin. As a tester, when we are testing the web applications, we need to verify the available links on that particular website. Now, you can test those manually or you can write a script to verify that links are working fine or not. In either case, you need to put an effort. But what you can do is that you can simply have the amazing extension which is check by links from the selector cell, and you can simply test the links within the clicks. So for that, what you need to do is that you need to go to this selector cell website, and here you have this check my links. Just simply click on this one, and you will go to this particular page over there. And on this particular page, you will find a way to install this one. So basically, you can install it to the Chrome or the other browsers. So simply you can go with the respective browser where you want. Okay. And just simply, click on this one. It will take you to the specific page. In this case, we are using the Chrome, so it will take us to the Chrome web store. And this is already installed on my system. But in case if you are installing this one, simply you will find a install button over here. Click on this one, and it will get installed on your browser. Okay, once it will be installed, it will be available over here, right? It is check my links. Okay, now what you need to do is that you need to simply click on this one, and it will find all the links. This is how the simple it is. Now for this particular demonstration of this particular extension, I will be going to this Swags Lab website, and here you see that we have some broken images or the links. Now what I'll do is that simply open this extension. It will automatically grab all the links. So there are 16 links, 15 are valid links, then there are 0 links which are basically valid redirects, 0 warnings, and there's a 1 invalid link. Now there are so many options available here, and here you can see that on the top we have this reset all, then we have this move pop-up. So basically you can move this pop-up. If you click on this one, you can freely move this pop-up somewhere like this one. Okay, and if you click on this one here and just click on reset, so it will reset this particular extension. And now if you want to move it on the left side, just click on left. If you want to move it on the right side, just move it on the right side. So you can move this pop-up over here, and here you see that we have different options available over here against each of these. And if you see that we have a download option, so if you want to see that the valid links, simply click on download, and it will download the CSV file over here. So you can open the CSV file and view the links over there. And if you don't want to download those, so simply if you click on this view button, it will open in the browser. So here you see all the links with the status over there, and you see that we can copy that URL. If there is any label with those, you can see the labels. You want to view that particular link, so simply click on view link, so it will open that link for you. So this is how easy it is for the testers to verify the links using this particular extension. Now here we are only viewing the valid URLs, right? So because if I go here again on this particular page, so you see that we just click on this one, not all. So if you want to see all, just click on view all, and you will see all the links. And here you will see that there is a one invalid link which is 404. Okay, and you can copy this one, you can view this one. And the good part about this particular extension is that you can recheck. So sometimes page might not load properly, there might be some other network issue, so you can simply recheck from here and ensure that this link is actually working or not. So if still you are getting 404, this means that the link is not working. And again, here on this particular page, you can search. For example, I want to search for 404, so it will filter out that particular request which contains this word. Okay, it shows total number of URLs. Then you can click on the CSV so that you can have a CSV of this one. Then you can copy this one from here. If you want Excel, just click on Excel. If you want to print, you can print from here. You can show all. Show all means that it will give all the requests 200 means that which are valid basically. And if you click on this one 404, so this is an invalid request, right? So you have all the options available here. In case there are hundreds of the URLs, then you have a pagination option from here as well. So you can go to the next page, then come back to the first page. And also you have a very good option here, fetch all HTTPS status code. So basically if you click on this one, it will say that the app will open each URL one by one with invalid HTTP code to retrieve the actual status code, and please do not refresh this page. So if you click on this one, say you see that it will opening each and every link. So total invalid URLs are zero and there's no duplicate, right? So this is how you can work with this particular extension. Now if I go here and go back here, so here you see that invalid, and then again we have option to refresh this one, so it will refresh this one. And if there are so many links, so you will see some queue over here, right? If I'm refreshing over here, you see that, right? And the method is gets is getting the links. Then if you want to see the tutorial, need help, if you want to read, just go and read this particular extension. And then you have the options like change color. For example, for this, let me go to Orange HRM website so you can see. So this is Orange HRM Never website, and if I click on this one, and here you see that there are two valid or three valid links, okay, and whatever the valid links, it will actually highlight on the web page. You see that this is highlighted, this is highlighted. So if you want to change the color for this highlighted ones, because these two greens pretty much look same, and you want to change the color for this one, just simply click on this one and you can change the color. For example, for me this is the color I want. Okay, so now if I refresh this one, okay, so it will easier for you to differentiate on this particular page. Okay, so you can change the color from here simply, so that you can easily differentiate between over here. Okay, and then we have hide the color. So basically hide the color means that if you don't want to get it highlighted over here, so simply uncheck, you will not get highlighted over here. I mean, when you will be working on this particular extension, you might not see all the features available over here. So basically, these are the premium features, and there's a very small one-time fee for this one. And let me show you. Just go to their website over there, and here simply you see that advanced features key. So simply click on this one. Let me open this one into the other tab, and here you will see a very small one-time fees. So if you are from outside the India, you have this particular fees, and if you are from India, so you have this particular fee. So it's just kind of a very small donation to basically the team of the Selectors Hub who have actually worked on this particular extension. So that's all about this particular extension. Just go and try, and I'm pretty sure you will find it will be very useful.